Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use shortcuts on CapCut PC and how you can learn some of them. The basics that usually your PC has is copy and paste is Control C and then Control V, or cut Control X and then Control V. To select all, press Control A and just press backspace if you want to delete it. They also have a few that are not like the usual shortcuts, I should say. So let me just add in a clip real quick. So this one, for instance, you're just going to go to shortcuts here, and this is the shortcuts that I have, which is shortcut 4. There's shortcut 1 to 5. And you can definitely change the shortcut. For instance, you want split to be S. But you can also delete the auto snapping one because it will actually no, because it's S and I'm just going to do control, wait, I think control S is saved, so I'm just going to delete auto snapping to be M, and split I want it to be S, for instance, and I'm just going to press save. And the next time I want to split a clip, I don't need to press these buttons again. I can just use my keyboard to split them into different clips, which I find easier. And that's how you can change it. If you want to change the shortcut back, you can go back and select restart to defaults, and then it's going to be back to the way it was. But that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.